Good morning, good morning, good morning on this lovely, lovely Thursday morning. We gotta be very quiet because it's like early and people are not waking up. No, just kidding. Yeah, we gotta be, it's still early though, early in the morning. But as promised, I wanted to get this second video out, a more in-depth review of this shoe that will be released on tomorrow. It's the silver toe. A lot of L's were given today on the dunks, right? I tried the UNLV joints and the coast one that looked like the UNC. However, I think they are getting the dunks, the cobalt one in store, but definitely not needed. So we'll probably just let that ride. But this shoe right here, you need it if you are a Raiders fan, or if you're a Kings fan, or you're a San Antonio Spurs fan. This is a must. So as you can see, they do the sphere type box for the ladies, right? They do the reverse color of the original Jordan 1. So instead of black, we go with all red, and red is the favorite color. So you have no complaints from Emoneyshoes, right? Then you have right here, you have your QR code, you have 11.5, and you have the suggested retail price of $170. They making it. This is supposed to be for the ladies, but this is a neutral color. 11.5 women is a 10 in men. So just keep that in mind. So then up here you got your stamper ramp, you got your check, you got all this good stuff, you got your swoosh. And then you got your undisturbed paper right here, and it just never fails. I always get this outside noise, but we got to get through this review. We're gonna keep pushing, and while we're doing all this, don't forget to sign up and check us out on Who Has the Heat. Myself, along with 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ. All right, so don't forget to check each one of them out. I done put our the different channels in the description box at nauseum, and also bagging up, like I said, if you're new to the channel, welcome to the Money Squad, and welcome back if you already been a member of the Money Squad. Now back to the normal broadcast. As you can see, look at that done. Woo, that silver toe shining. Raider Nation in full effect on the camera. It kind of look gold, but trust me, it is silver. So with that being said, let's get over it right here. Underneath, you see the outsole all black, like your typical Jordan, right? Your typical Jordan, all black. Of course, on the toe box, the leather is nice and soft. Not soft, not S-O-F-T, but soft, S-A-W-F-T, or whatever you want to call it, right? Too much wrestling, but it is what it is. You can see the gold, I mean, you can see the silver all on the toe. Feel like Tin Man, right? Wizard of Oz. You got your nylon tongue. Now this would have been really dope. They would have made this leather, but of course you got Nike Air, and you can see you got your spacing for the trademark R's on here as well. Coming around, you see the leather is nice and soft right here, all along the panels. You see you got that wrinkle stankle, and let's do the where it meets the check, and it's just above it. You got your Air Jordan embossed up here, and then you got your Tin Man or your silver laces, right? Coming around on the back, ooh, nice and soft on the ankle support, nice and soft. We like soft, and inside it's satin. It's not leather, which is very different. So it's satin in the inside. That is nice. They gave us something a little bit different, than the stitching is pretty good. I don't know, actually kind of slanted, so a little bit cockeyed, but it's okay. And that is leather as well. Come around on the media side, as you can see, the panels, everything, the leather is A1. I don't see much sloppiness, maybe a little bit right there, but for the most part, the cuts and everything is on point. And you can see traditionally, this is how your Jordan 1 should be laced. They've been undisturbed, and it's a size 10, 10.5. And you see you got your black laces and your QR code right there. 8/26/20, focus to 9/30/20. Okay, so roughly this was light speed, only like less than a month. That's pretty interesting. So we got this shoe out of the way. spin it around. Let's go look at the other shoe. And the other shoe, you should have your hang tag, right? That's a dope touch on the shoe. Hang tag. Normally they'll charge us extra for this, but no, they didn't, which is very, very surprising. But I appreciate you, Jordan brand. So with that being said, very, very dope shoe. I think it's very well crafted. Like I said, I don't see too many flaws or no issue with the shoes, right? So like I said, I don't know how this is gonna look. It's gonna, once it gets scratched, that's gonna be the thing about the shoe, right? You're gonna be tiptoeing and walking around and all of that different stuff. So which one y'all think I should do? Should I go black laces or should I go with the silver laces? So we try to miss it, kind of, match it up. Maybe go half and half. That may be an idea. So you guys let me know in the comment suggestion below, what do you think? Now, on a little meter out of 5, I might be biased. I'm not a big 1 guy. Everybody know that. I'm the 4 guy, right? I try to rock and cop all 4, but I'm gonna give this a 4.9 out of 5. 4.9 out of 5. See a little bit, just a tad of imperfection, but I mean, hey, it is what it is, and I didn't get this for retail, so that got to add to my lit meter. I paid resale for these, but it's all good nonetheless. I guarantee to make sure I had the shoe, and that's all that matters. So yes, 4.9 out of 5. You let me know what you think. We can agree to disagree. I know some people, they say they have, issue. They don't like to wear the shoe that they say made for the ladies, but hey, to each his own. I think this is a neutral colorway, and pretty much everything just crossing over anyway. So with that being said, again, leave a comment suggestion below. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and share, and all of that good stuff. I know a lot of people watch the video, but they forgot to hit the thumbs up, or they probably even watch it. So maybe I should move this to the beginning, because most people don't watch all the way to the end. So I move it to the beginning, then you'll know what to do. So thanks for all the love. Peace out. Emoneyshoes.